Hey, what is up guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn this little $50 microphone into a professional sounding microphone. Now the reason I am doing this video is because I currently have a giveaway going on my channel. It lasts 2 weeks, it's been going for about 7 days, so you guys got another week if you want to enter the giveaway. Click the link in the description and you guys can join the giveaway. But before that, if you want to make this microphone, which is the actual one that I am giving away, sound like a more professional microphone, then finish this video, watch this video till the end, and I'll show you guys how to make it sound better. So first, in Audacity, I have recorded a little 8-second clip. This is what it sounds like with the raw audio of this microphone. Hey, what is up guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the Mano podcast mic sound more professional. So that's how it sounds without any editing to the audio or anything. So if you go in, select a part before or after the clip. You need to make sure you leave a little segment where you're not talking. So here at the end, I have a little segment where you can't really hear anything. You can hear the mouse click, but as long as it's a part where you're not speaking, then it should be okay. And then go to Effects, go to Noise Reduction, make sure your settings look like this, and then click Get Noise Profile. And now click Control A, which will select the whole thing. And then go back to Effect, and up at the top click Repeat Noise Reduction. And this is what it sounds like with you reducing the noise. Hey, what is up guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the Mano podcast mic sound more professional. See, it took out all that background noise. You couldn't even hear the mouse click at the end of the video. So while you still have the whole track selected, go back to Effect, go to Compressor, make sure that these are the settings that you have and these are the boxes you have checked. And then go to OK, and then go back to Effect, come down to Filter Curve EQ, and click down to Manage, Factory Presets, and then go to Bass Boost, click OK, and then go back to Effect, back to Filter Curve, go back to Manage, back to Factory Presets, and then to Treble Boost, and then click OK. And then one last thing, the fourth and last step is go back to Effects and go down to Normalize, and make sure you have these two checked and this one unchecked, and have this at minus 1.0 decibels, and then click OK. That helps normalize the audio so there aren't any peaks in the audio, and this is what it sounds like after. Hey, what is up guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the Mano podcast mic sound more professional. So right there is a huge difference in the audio, and for me, I feel like you can't really tell a difference between this microphone and a $250 microphone. At least for me, I know a lot of people, microphone experts, probably can tell a difference, but for most people that use this for their videos, and they're just like a normal YouTuber, they're probably really not going to notice this. And it just made this $50 microphone sound 100 times better and a lot more cleaner. Now if you want a chance to win this microphone, go down in the description of the video where I have a link to the giveaway. Still has a week left, so you still have plenty of time, but good luck on the giveaway. And if you do want this microphone, enter it and maybe you'll win it. And if you do this little editing step right here in Audacity, you'll make it sound 100 times better. It's already a really good microphone for the price, considering it comes with a boom arm, a shock mount. It has a 6-foot long cable, which some microphones don't even have long cables. I know my Blue Yeti didn't come with a long one. And then it comes with a foam filter and then a normal pop filter attached to it. So for $50, you really can't beat that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button and slap that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.